Eggs, one of the most versatile and nutritious foods on the planet. Whether scrambled, boiled, fried, or baked, eggs are a staple in diets across the globe. But what if I told you that the way you consume eggs might prevent you from reaping their full benefits, or worse, could harm your health? Think about risks like heart attacks from excessively high cholesterol levels or severe food poisoning. These are concerns we'll address in this video. Essentially, there are two main ways to prepare eggs: boiled and fried. Depending on how you cook them, eggs can be an incredibly healthy meal or, conversely, a trigger for serious health issues. But here's the key. This problem doesn't stem from the fried egg itself. The issue lies elsewhere, and it's something you may have overlooked until now. Is there a difference in the content of boiled and fried eggs? No, because they're essentially the same. What makes fried eggs potentially harmful is the extra oil added to the pan to prevent them from sticking. That oil is where the real danger lies. The reality is that oils, regardless of their type, are extremely calorie-dense, and excessive use can easily throw your diet off balance. A single tablespoon of regular oil contains approximately 120 calories. If you fry your eggs in just a few tablespoons of oil, the calorie count of your meal quickly skyrockets. But it's not just about calories. Oils, especially industrially processed ones like regular liquid cooking oils, often contain saturated and trans fats, which can raise the level of bad cholesterol in your body. Elevated LDL levels lead to fat buildup in your artery walls, significantly increasing the risk of artery blockages, heart attacks, and strokes. Moreover, when oils are heated to high temperatures, their chemical structure changes, producing harmful compounds like aldehydes and free radicals. These substances not only increase inflammation in the body, but also elevate the risk of cancer and cellular damage. Thankfully, there's a simple solution that, despite its simplicity, can greatly enhance your health and longevity over time. All you need to do is invest in a high-quality non-stick pan, which eliminates the need for oil. This small change allows you to enjoy your eggs worry-free and maintain a healthier lifestyle effortlessly. Now we get to boiling. Boiling eggs is always the best choice. Why? Because this method eliminates the need for calorie-dense, unhealthy oils, while preserving all the nutrients in the egg without any alterations. Let's talk about boiling. A boiled egg is a complete, calorie-controlled meal. A medium-sized boiled egg contains only about 70 calories, but is packed with high-quality protein essential for muscle repair, growth, and boosting the immune system. This complete protein includes all 9 essential amino acids, which the body needs but cannot produce on its own. Additionally, the yolk of a boiled egg is a rich source of choline, a nutrient critical for brain function and memory enhancement. The yolk also contains vital antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which promote eye health and reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Another advantage of boiled eggs is that the cooking method doesn't introduce extra fats or harmful substances into your food. They are also easier to digest for most people, especially those over 50, and their low calorie count makes them an ideal choice for individuals on weight loss diets. One crucial point to remember is the cooking time. If eggs are overboiled, typically beyond 10 to 12 minutes, the yolk might turn slightly greenish. This color change indicates the formation of a sulfur and iron compound. While not harmful, it suggests that some of the egg's nutrients may have been lost due to prolonged heat exposure. We've reached the most interesting part. Common mistakes people make when eating eggs without even realizing it. The first mistake is storing eggs at room temperature. Many people have the habit of keeping their eggs outside the fridge, but this can be dangerous. Eggs should always be stored in the fridge at a temperature below 7 degrees Celsius to prevent the growth of bacteria like salmonella. When eggs are left at room temperature, these bacteria can multiply rapidly, significantly increasing the risk of food poisoning. Another common mistake many people make is cooking old eggs. Over time, eggs lose their quality, even if the expiration date on their packaging hasn't passed. Old eggs often have an unpleasant odor and may have a changed texture. These changes can lead to a decrease in taste and quality when cooking them. Furthermore, old eggs are more likely to harbor bacteria like salmonella, especially if they have been stored improperly. This increases the risk of food poisoning. Do you wonder what happens to your body if you eat boiled eggs every day for a week? Don't miss this video, and if you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.